Go?
Go. Yan, mag-unboxing daw sila ng parcel nila.
What is this?
What is that?
Audrey, this is your glasses. Open it. Open it. Unboxing.
Duwang tips.
The tips one.
Open it.
I cannot open it. You just have to bring. Oh, here. Audrey, it's the same like mine.
Yeah?
Yeah. Good. Now your shirt. I think this is yours. Yeah, this is yours. Shirt. What is this?
Water. Water pump? Parang niya yun. Diyan?
Oh, this is the same thing that I got.
What's that?
This is mine.
That's yours?
Yeah.
Oh, for Audrey.
I don't know.
Oh, water swimsuit.
I think this is her.
That's her
This is
swimsuit?
her, yeah.
Yeah? Can you open it?
The top.
That's the short.
Audrey, this
That's
is
yours.
Mama. 21. That's 22.
And what is that, Suping?
Pencil.
Pencil mate? Ballpen mate?
Yeah. Mama, look how much pencil I got.
Pencil o...
Pencil.
Yellow te?
Mama, look.
Sa freezer nga
For
nakaiwalay.
my phone. Kuya! Wait.
You have a lot of parcel.
This is my t-shirts. The 6'7". Wow, 6'7". Brain broad Brain broad kid. It's so big, Mama.
That's for mine. My size.
No, that's my size. This is my size. I'm wearing this tomorrow. I don't even care because you're so big.
What's that? Swimsuit?
Mama, nagdakil na. Wait, let me do.
Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.